Let me take you on a journey to one of Mexico's most stunning luxury retreats, where modern sophistication meets the raw beauty of Baja California. The Cape, a Thompson Hotel by Hyatt, sits perched on the southern tip of the peninsula like a crown jewel, offering guests an intimate escape from the ordinary. This five-star boutique resort has been turning heads since 2014, and honestly, it's not hard to see why. The property seamlessly blends contemporary design with traditional Mexican influences, creating an atmosphere that feels both worldly and authentically local. What sets this place apart from the mega resorts dotting the Cabo coastline is its commitment to intimate luxury. With just enough rooms to maintain that exclusive feel without being too small to offer proper amenities, the Cape strikes the perfect balance. The architecture itself tells a story, with natural materials like wood and stone creating harmony with the dramatic landscape surrounding it. Every detail has been thoughtfully considered, from the way the buildings frame those iconic ocean views to how the open-air spaces invite the gentle Pacific breeze to flow through. The location couldn't be more perfect if they had tried. Sitting right where you can see the famous El Arco rock formation, guests wake up to postcard-worthy views every single morning. It's the kind of place that makes you want to pinch yourself to make sure you're not dreaming. When it comes to accommodations, the Cape doesn't mess around with mediocrity. Their room selection caters to different types of travelers while maintaining that consistent luxury feel throughout. The Ocean View King Room serves as the entry point into this world of sophistication, spanning about 484 square feet of thoughtfully designed space. These rooms feature floor-to-ceiling windows that frame the Pacific like a living piece of art, and the private balconies are perfect for morning coffee or evening cocktails. The king-size bed sits center stage, surrounded by modern amenities that would make any tech lover happy, including smart TVs and Nespresso machines. Step up to the ocean-front king room, and you'll notice the difference immediately. With about 538 square feet of space, these rooms offer unobstructed oceanfront views that are simply breathtaking. The enhanced soundproofing means you can enjoy the visual drama of the ocean without losing sleep to the waves. Premium bath amenities elevate the experience further, turning your daily routine into something that feels more like a spa ritual. The private balconies in these rooms are larger, giving you more space to soak in those incredible views. For those who need more space to spread out, the one-bedroom suites deliver with about 915 square feet of luxury living. These suites feature separate living areas, dining spaces, and bedrooms, making them perfect for longer stays or couples who like having distinct areas for different activities. The large balconies become outdoor living rooms where you can dine, relax, or simply contemplate the endless ocean horizon. At the top of the accommodation pyramid sits the penthouse suite, a sprawling 1,615 square feet of pure indulgence that includes its own private plunge pool and expansive terraces with panoramic views. The dining scene at the Cape revolves around Manta, their signature restaurant that has become something of a destination in its own right. This isn't your typical hotel restaurant serving bland international cuisine. Instead, Manta focuses on Baja Mediterranean flavors that celebrate the region's incredible seafood and local ingredients. The menu reads like a love letter to the ocean, featuring everything from expertly prepared tuna tartare to wood-fired octopus that practically melts in your mouth. The Wagyu beef offerings provide a perfect counterpoint for those who prefer land-based proteins, while the fresh ceviche showcases the kitchen's ability to let pristine ingredients shine. What makes Manta special isn't just the food, though the quality certainly speaks for itself. The restaurant's open-air design means you're dining with the ocean as your backdrop, creating an atmosphere that's both romantic and energizing. The service strikes that perfect balance between attentive and unobtrusive, with staff who clearly know their menu inside and out. Breakfast here feels like a celebration rather than just a meal, with options that range from healthy and light to indulgently satisfying. The Rooftop takes the dining experience to new heights, quite literally. This casual bar and lounge offers panoramic views that make every sunset feel like a private show. The sushi here is surprisingly excellent for a hotel bar, And the cocktail program showcases both classic preparations and creative interpretations using local ingredients. The atmosphere shifts throughout the day, from laid-back afternoon vibes to more energetic evening scenes with occasional live DJ sets. It's the kind of place where you plan to stop for one drink and end up staying for three. Down at beach level, the Beach Club provides a more relaxed dining option where swimwear is perfectly acceptable and the vibe is decidedly casual. The menu focuses on fresh, light options that pair perfectly with tropical drinks and ocean breezes. It's the ideal spot for a long, lazy lunch between beach and pool sessions. The pool facilities at the Cape deserve their own spotlight because they've clearly been designed with Instagram in mind, though they're much more than just pretty backdrops. The infinity pool is the star of the show, stretching about 25 meters and appearing to blend seamlessly with the Pacific Ocean beyond. The optical illusion is striking, creating moments where you can't tell where the pool ends and the ocean begins. The swim-up bar means you never have to leave the water for refreshments, which is either convenient or dangerous depending on your self-control. The adults-only pool offers a more intimate experience for those seeking tranquility. Smaller and more secluded, this pool is surrounded by comfortable loungers and offers a sense of privacy that's perfect for couples or solo travelers looking to escape. Both pools maintain operating hours from early morning until evening, giving guests plenty of flexibility to enjoy them during different lighting conditions throughout the day. The beach access is where the Cape really shines, offering about 200 meters of private beachfront with golden sand and relatively gentle waves. The beach service is comprehensive, providing everything from umbrellas and loungers to food and drink delivery right to your spot. Water sports enthusiasts can enjoy snorkeling, paddleboarding, and kayaking, while fishing excursions can be arranged for those looking to try their luck with the local catch. The beach staff are knowledgeable about conditions and safety, making sure everyone has a good time while staying safe. Activity options at the Cape cater to both active travelers and those seeking relaxation. The fitness center is well equipped with modern cardio machines, free weights, and resistance equipment, plus yoga mats for those who prefer bodyweight exercises. Personal training sessions can be arranged, and the facility offers yoga and Pilates classes that take advantage of the beautiful outdoor spaces. The operating hours are generous, allowing early birds and night owls to maintain their fitness routines. Water activities extend beyond the basic offerings, with the hotel able to arrange more adventurous excursions like deep-sea fishing trips and whale watching tours during the appropriate seasons. The concierge team is particularly skilled at matching activities to guest interests and skill levels, ensuring everyone finds something that appeals to them. The spa and wellness offerings focus on treatments that incorporate local ingredients and traditions. Signature treatments include Baja Desert-inspired massages that use indigenous plants and minerals, creating a connection between the spa experience and the surrounding landscape. The facility includes treatment rooms, sauna, steam room, and relaxation areas designed to extend the sense of calm beyond just the treatment time. Hydrotherapy options add another dimension to the wellness experience, with treatments designed to rejuvenate both body and mind. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.